Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel order on Jumia by contacting the Jumia customer service. Now if you're not able to cancel your order through the website or mobile app, you can contact the Jumia customer service team. Now if you're using the phone, you can use the phone, email or live chat. If you're using the live chat, you can use Jumia's live chat feature on their website or mobile app. You can also send an email to Jumia customer service team, and you can call Jumia's customer service number in your country. Now, for example, let's say you're in Nigeria. Now, the Jumia Nigeria's customer service numbers are +234 1888 1106, +234 1888 1106, or +234 1888 1100, or +234 1277 2367, or +234 1277 8900. The last one is 0700 600 0000. That is 0700 600 and 0000. Now their operating hours are Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Saturday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and during public holidays they are available 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Alternatively, you can contact Jumia Nigeria via email at mails2, that is mailto, cs@jumia.com.ng. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.